This individual is talking about angel numbers or seeing specific numbers. So can't stop seeing 111 or quadruple 1111. Past few months, I've been seeing the numbers, blah, blah, blah. Every day, I've been seeing the numbers more and more recently. And usually when I'm thinking of a new friend I made a few weeks back, every time he pops up in my mind, or when we talk, I see 111 or 1111 immediately after. Find this strange, blah, blah, blah. Can anyone help me figure it out? So this is a really cool thing where if you have specific numbers in your life that mean something for you, the universe knows this, and this is one of the serendipitous moments where a lot of times there'll be timings throughout the day where you just look down at the clock during something that is so perfect for you and you're like, oh yeah, it's my time. So for me, my birthday is on December 19th, which is 12/19, and I can't tell you how many times I will literally look down at my phone or my watch, 12/19, and my favorite song in the world is playing, or I'm literally about to take a bite of my favorite food. Or I just got home and my dog's giving me, the dog jumps where they just love you and lick you and stuff. 12/19, okay? We all have different numbers and different things that our subconscious mind knows makes us feel some type of way and makes us get excited. And this is one of those really cool small manifestations that people undermine, is that this is still exciting. This is a serendipitous moment that will give you momentum, make you feel good on your way towards bigger manifestations. These smaller manifestations are basically clues, especially with these angel numbers, that you are on the right path and you are going in the right direction. And the more you are aware of these numbers, and specifically aware of the numbers and what you are doing when you see the numbers, you will quickly see how all of these kind of go together and how they spur along your bigger manifestations. So angel numbers are a super fun